Well, maybe a little bit of perspective on the automation and the nurturing and the long tail content that we send out as well. I guess a lot of that content that gets sent out and personalized doesn't get interacted with because it's just bad content. Just to put that out there, the problem is often when it comes to content at that scale that you send out a couple hundred times every day, the reason that people don't interact with it is not that there's the wrong personalization intro sentence in it. I mean, that is part of it, but the large chunk is it's mostly just bad content. So I guess even people late in the sales funnel will appreciate getting added to an email sequence that actually delivers relevant content to their onboarding experience. But I mean, check out a couple of large-scale onboarding sequences that you get added to when you try SaaS tools, and most of the content is just not helpful. It might be personalized, which is nice. It's a nice AI demo case, but the content itself is just really bad. And I think a lot of the long-tail nurturing needs to be invested in high-quality content at scale, rather than the miniature personalization items that in the end make it super hyper personal. That is fine for high value targets and you can invest in that and so on and so on. But at scale, what you need is high quality content.
But is that possible to do